Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can update the meeting, okay, using the Zoom REST API. In the last session, we have successfully created a Zoom meeting using the Zoom REST API using this endpoint. I was successfully showed on the last session, okay. So in this session, we just update how we demonstrate how we can create and update a meeting using the Zoom REST API, okay. So app.page, we will create a page endpoint for that. API Zoom/meetings. Okay, and we just add the ID parameter and we call a sync request response. Okay, and we just inside the Zoom helper we can create a helper called const update meeting, and we sync and we just pass the parameter meeting ID and payload. Okay, and define its definition, and we just build the meeting URI. Okay, so the meeting URI will be https apis dot zoom.us/v2/meetings, and just pass the meeting ID. So you must be validate or verify when you are going to get a meeting details or update a meeting or put and paste the meetings or delete the meetings. You must be verified that your endpoint will be starting with this v2 meetings, not users, not v2/users meeting. Okay, so this endpoint is only valid for the list of meetings. Okay, so you can see here when I'm going to updating the meetings. Okay, I'm just setting here v2 and meetings, removing the users v2. Okay, so you must be verify that thing. So for next step, we just call data await access, and we configure it. The URL will be meeting URI, and the method will be page. Okay, and data payload and headers, and we call authorization, and we say it here bearer, and we just pass the process, or either we can just copy and paste from here, and we paste it here, and now we just call then and response. Okay, and we return the response and catch the error, return error. Okay, and return data. Okay, so I think all the things are sorted. Just late meeting update, and we called await. We must be export. I think meeting update is exported, and we just call it here update meeting, and we call that here update meeting request dot params dot id and request dot body. Okay, and return response dot json and meeting update. I think there is no any content inside this, but I think we just check this later. Okay, and just place a breakpoint here and here. Okay, now just start the API. npm start, just navigate to the browser, and you can see on my dashboard I do not have any meeting. You can see that here. Okay, now just navigate to the local host port 4000 API and authorize. Okay, we have successfully authorized, and now just sending request for the create meeting. Okay, we just remove this. and we send the post request. Okay, you can see we have successfully created a meeting with the ID 521, and we just pass this that parameter to this page request. You can see here is my created API endpoint, and I'm just modifying few fields or updating few fields, like you can see here we have agenda called my meeting, duration is a 60-minute, password 123456, and I'm changing here topic our agenda. I think agenda we can topic. Okay, and duration to 80 minutes, password 12345678 settings use PM attribute. Okay, and now we just confirm on the portal that meeting is created. You can see my meeting, and now just send the request, response. Okay, no content, so its response is okay. Just continue. Okay, and let's verify that thing. Okay, you can see change test meeting for update, and we can see the duration and password. Okay, so we can see yes, so topic is changed, not description. We can also change the description like agenda. I will change for now the topic. Okay, and passcode. You can see the passcode is changed. And another thing we have changed called use PMI. Okay, use PMI means use personal meeting ID. So you can see here is a PMI. Meeting ID is a PMI. If we click the edit, then you can see it is checked with the personal meeting ID. Okay, so you have got that. We have successfully updated the meeting, and you can also update for the more fields of the meeting which are supportable for the update. Okay, so Zoom API, you can review those here. Okay, and meetings page date, and you can see example, you can see you can change only these fields. Okay, you can only update these field types. Hopefully you have got that, and in the next session we will furthermore deep dive with the available endpoints for the meetings. Okay, using the Zoom REST API from our API. Hopefully you have got that. If you have any query, then just keep me posting either on a video comment section, or either I have already shared my email and WhatsApp. Okay, so if any query, then just ping me. Hopefully you have got that. Thank you. Bye bye.